Let's talk about production versus mixing versus mastering. First, I'm going to explain it with this fancy haired cat, and then I'm going to show it in Ableton Live. So first, production means using the hair provided to make a really creative hairstyle. So you take what your materials are, the color of them, and you make something creative with them. Mixing is making sure that it's all balanced and looking pretty, that you can also add some decorations. So example, reverbs and delays and so on. Mastering is the final checks and the shine on the top. So hairspray. So it's making sure that it's holding all together. It's formatted to all the places where it will be shown later. Okay, so what's production in my project? So that would be example choosing all the sounds. So it's choosing the different samples, the sounds, designing them, whether I've designed them myself or whether I found a nice sample pack or sample to scroll from. Anything kind of aesthetic choices. So example, here we have a C part where I use a lot of effects and I have automated a lot of them. You can see them moving around because they're automated. So mixing then. Mixing is making sure that all the volume levels are complementing each other. It's also using things like compressor and EQ to make sure that they're fitting in the right place. So example, on my vocals, I have a plugin that has compression in it, some EQ in it. I also use a lot of EQ when I mix, like a lot. So the point of mixing is to make sure that all these like 18 different tracks fit together and they have their own place in the frequency range and stereo width. Then mastering is, we're gonna go to here in the master channel. And here we have a master chain. I have LNA's awesome master chain, which you can actually get it from my website. So here we add some compression. We can also do some EQ on it. We can add some color and drive, and we can make the bass mono and add some gain. And then we're gonna make sure so that the loudness is good for different platforms. Whether you're mastering it for streaming platforms or vinyl, it's going to be slightly different. I do have a mixing and mastering courses on my other YouTube channels. If you're Ableton user, then go and have a look at those too.